Yes, it's another day, another blessing. And for today, I just attended the Watson's Women's Forum. And grabe, what an empowering experience talaga. It's not just about beauty, wellness, pero about building a community of women who lift each other up. Alam mo yung feeling na surrounded ka by strong, confident, and unstoppable women. Nakaka-inspire talaga sobra. One of my biggest takeaways today is you don't have to do everything alone. Super inspiring ng speaker because they talk about how being unstoppable doesn't mean being perfect or doing everything yourself. It's about knowing when to ask for help, supporting each other, and celebrating each win, big or small. Ang ganda kasi lahat ng babae dito may kanya-kanyang story, pero pare-pareho lang ang goal, to grow, to glow, and to give back. So thank you Watsons for reminding us the real beauty is having the power to uplift, empower, and to inspire others. Thank you, guys!